How to change from landscape to portrait in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can change the landscape size to portrait in PowerPoint. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your PowerPoint presentation. So once you have opened it up, navigate to the menu bar or the toolbar at the top of this interface. From there, you have to go to the design, so click on design. Once you're on the design, navigate to your top right corner and now click on slide size. You'll see this pop-up box in your interface. From there, click on custom slide size. Now from this pop-up box again, under this orientation, under slides, you have to select portrait, so click on portrait. After that, click on OK. Once you do that, here you will see two different types of fit, whether you want to maximize the size of the content or scale it down to ensure it will fit on the new slide. So for now, let's select the ensure fit. Once you have done with that, as you can see, the landscape format is now converted to portrait. If you have some content in your presentation, you might have to rearrange some of your content, and once done, your landscape format is now converted to portrait. And that's the way to change landscape to portrait on PowerPoint. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.